ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us now with details of what was a very quiet Monday to start the week on Wall Street. Richard.
Scott, incredibly quiet. I was reminded of an old gag that Wall Street people like to talk about today was a waste of cab fare and a clean shirt. Think about that for a minute. That's exactly what we saw today. And believe it or not, that's what we've really seen all year. We've had tremendous volatility. And remember, in February, we dropped by 12%. Come all the way back from that. But that being said, so far this year, the Dow Jones Industrial Average leads the pack with a gain of 0.44%. The S&P right behind with a gain of 0.41%. And for the year to date, the NASDAQ is the laggard, down 4 3/4%. Today, top to bottom range, 70 points, 50 points on the upside, 20 points on the downside. And as you're about to see, a big snooze at the close. Let's take a look at those final numbers. That's a snooze for you. The Dow is down 8 points, 0.05%, closing at 17,492.93. That on volume of 648 million shares. The NASDAQ down by a whopping 0.08%, less than 4 points, at 4,765.78 on fairly light volume of 1,515,000,000 shares. And a clean sweep of down arrows that should be down. My mistake. That down arrow should say 4.28, down 0.2% at 2,048.04. Well, there were nothing but up arrows today for Monsanto. You may remember they received a bid from Bayer, the German company, about 2 weeks ago. Well, over the weekend, that bid got even higher. Bayer is now offering $122 a share. That's $62 billion to purchase Monsanto. And a very interesting thing, even though the shares have gone up sharply since May the 10th, the stock is now trading at 106. The offer is 122. That would lead one to believe that there are an awful lot of people who think this deal will not go through. Financing does not seem to be a problem. Bayer's got plenty of money and the ability to measure and go out and get all the money they want. But there's a great fear that antitrust may shoot it down. And that's the reason the stock is trading 16 points below its current offering price.
Definitely a possibility. And Richard, expectations for tomorrow?
Well, unfortunately, Haley, probably more of the same, although Best Buy is going to announce earnings tomorrow. And the way the retail sector has been going lately, I don't know which surprise they're going to be up or down, but I doubt they're going to be flat the way the rest of the market has been.
All right.
Thank you so much, Richard, for the update.
You're welcome.